Good morning, children. Class for children, take your social science book. Today we'll study on topic Know Our Country. Already we have started this chapter and we saw our India country where it is situated in the world map. We saw its locations. We also studied the directions. And now we continue the rest of the topics. Today we'll learn about our neighboring countries. Which are the countries shares their borders with our country, or our country which shares its border with the different countries. Okay. Now, India shares its boundaries with some Asian countries. Some of them are big while some are small. Our neighbors are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Pakistan and Afghanistan are in the west. Now we see in the map, this is the western side of our country. This border shares with Pakistan and Afghanistan. While Nepal, China and Bhutan are in the north. So here this is the northern part. Here China, Bhutan and Nepal shares the northern portion. Our eastern neighbors are Bangladesh and Myanmar. This is the eastern part of our country, the border. Here the Myanmar, we see Myanmar and Bangladesh, they share the eastern part of our country. Our southern neighbor is Sri Lanka. This is the southern part of our country. Here, this is, you see, we can see the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is situated in southern part of our country. Physical division of India. According to the different landforms, India can be divided into 6 physical divisions. 1. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great India Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal plains, the islands. Northern mountains range, always last chapter we have studied about the Himalaya. All these mountains, they are situated in northern places, and the coastal, we also studied about the sea and the oceans, they are situated in the southern part of the country. These landforms not only have different land features but also have different vegetations, climates and rainfall. Students, kindly learn and especially by heart these 6 points. So we continue tomorrow the rest of the topics. Have a good day. Thank you.